It's all about jobs, and we're using the Census Bureau data to try to bring those jobs to Houston. I'm Patrick Jankowski. I'm the Vice President of Research here at the Greater Houston Partnership. Economic development creates prosperity. Bottom line, it creates jobs. So one way it creates prosperity is by generating the tax revenues. The other way to generate prosperity, it creates income, which gets spent in the area and then trickles and spreads out all over the area. "30 years ago, when we were trying to recruit a company, the company wanted to know, do you have a piece of real estate and is it rail served? How far are you from the port? It was all infrastructure based. The nature of economic development, the nature of recruiting businesses has changed so much now, but everything is workforce driven now. Do you have the workforce, and can the workforce meet the needs of my company? Companies come in, they'll have specific areas that are key to them that they need to know about. They'll want to know something about educational attainment. We can pull that from the census data. They'll want to know something about the age of the workforce. We'll pull that from census data. One thing which is great about ACS data is it's updated every year. And we in the research community recognize that. The people who are doing the relocation work, they recognize that. You need to know something about what's happening in the population. You need to know how are the demographics changing. You need to know how the educational attainment is changing. Because part of this is growth, part of this is people moving in. You need to have a better understanding of what's happening on an annual basis to your population when it's changing so much. And so what you used to have to wait every 10 years to get data down to the block group, and now you can get every year. It's just fantastic.